Here we see audience members wearing 3D polarized glasses and enjoying the first performance of The Tempest at the Kennedy Center's American College Theater Festival. Here's a few shots from the actual performance. Miranda communicates telepathically with her father in this sequence, showcasing the green screen special effect we saw earlier. Here is the first entrance of the fully animated character of Ariel, originally a sprite in Shakespeare's version, but transformed into a robot to reflect the science fiction theme of this production. The vocal animation was lip-synced using a computer program that aligned lip vowel formations with the words spoken by an actress. This sequence was in real time. The scenic elements were originally created in a graphics program and then were imported into a video game software program. The moving forest was controlled by a joystick as the actors walked in place to create the illusion of movement. In this sequence, shipwrecked crew members used their phaser weapons to light a fire. The animation was pre-made and required careful rehearsal so that taped and live action occurred simultaneously. In this pre-recorded video sequence, Prospero has magically captured the three villains, Trinculo, Stefana, and Caliban. The effect was shot using a stereo video camera and a green screen. The three actors were shot separately and the three layers digitally composited in stereoscopic 3D. This sequence was one of the most exciting in The Tempest. Caliban magically summons forth a series of 3D stereo objects. A joystick operator controlled the objects in real time. The scene not only uses a real-time element, but also incorporates pre-recorded background animation. A video switcher was used to combine the elements in real time. This is the finalized version of the real-time rock shown earlier. Pre-recorded and live-action digital elements are combined with a virtual rock operated in real time. The rock is responsive to the actor's movements, and a synergistic fusion of the real and the irreal is achieved. The sequence was one of the most startling in the production, since the rock appeared to hover directly above the heads of the audience. This was the opening sequence of The Tempest. It is an animated sequence created using interlaced video, which results in a 3D stereo effect. Images are created in a 3D graphics program, and separate views for left and right eyes are designed using two cameras. The sequence is then rendered into video format, containing both left and right eye views on the same video frame. This form of stereo video is called field sequential mode. Left eye views are usually recorded to even NTSC or PAL fields, and right views to odd fields. For viewing, the images are separated into left and right video streams and are displayed on polarized projectors. Each of the projectors preserved a left and right eye view. The audience wears polarized glasses that fuse the two views into one view, thus creating a perception of depth. This 3D stereo animation represents a space storm within the ship. Since creating pre-recorded animations is costly and time-consuming, the original 20-second sequence was looped to provide 5 minutes of continuous animation.